To SREE Mahalakshimi Industries precision ball valve stem manufacturing process. First operation. Turning the first end is carried out using a CNC machine to achieve precise diameter, accurate concentricity, and an excellent surface finish. During this process, excess material is removed in a controlled manner to maintain tight tolerances. This operation establishes the primary reference of the component, ensuring dimensional stability and reliable accuracy for all subsequent machining operations. Second operation. Turning the second end is performed using a CNC machine to achieve precise length, correct diameter, and perfect alignment with the first end. This operation ensures dimensional accuracy, concentricity, and uniformity required for the next machining processes. The third operation involves head milling to produce a smooth, flat surface. Fourth operation. Threading is done to achieve accurate threads. In the fifth operation, tail milling is performed to precisely machine the tail end, control overall length, improve dimensional accuracy, and finishing for quality and proper assembly. In the sixth operation, engraving is done to permanently mark essential identification details, supporting traceability, quality assurance, and reliable product tracking worldwide. After final inspection, the component is ready for packing and dispatch. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.